अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये हम आज बात करेंगे मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम की। और हमें ये पता है कि मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम जो है वो यूरोजेनेटिक सिस्टम भी कहलाता है। अगर हम यूरिनरी ट्रैक देखें तो ये यूरिनरी ब्लैडर है, उसके बाद मेल यूरेथ्रा है। ठीक है, अभी जो मेल यूरेथ्रा है इसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स की हम बात कर लेते हैं। ये स्टार्टिंग पोर्शन में वॉल ऑफ द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में इसका प्री प्रोस्टेटिक पार्ट है। फिर मेल यूरेथ्रा का ये वाला पार्ट जो है from here to there, this one is the prostatic part of male urethra। क्लियर? अच्छा, फिर ये हम देख सकते हैं कि ये डीप पेरिनियल पाउच, या हम इसको डायफ्राम भी कहते हैं यूरिनेटर। तो यहाँ से जब ये यूरेथ्रा गुजरता है तो दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड है मेम्ब्रेनस पार्ट ऑफ यूरेथ्रा। ठीक है, दिस वन। और ख़ास बात क्या है इस पार्ट की, इट ऑल्सो फॉर्म्स द एक्सटर्नल यूरेथ्रल स्फिंक्टर due to the presence of skeletal muscles in it. And here is the in the preprostatic part, here is the internal urethral sphincter. So this one is the internal urethral sphincter and that one is the external urethral sphincter. External urethral sphincter is under our will as it is formed by skeletal muscles, while the internal urethral sphincter is not under our will. It is regulated by autonomic nervous system, that is parasympathetic nervous system or sympathetic nervous system according to the requirement. Clear? So in a quick review we can see that this one is the preprostatic part of male urethra, this one is the prostatic part of male urethra, this one is the membranous part of urethra, and that one is the penile part or spongy part of the urethra. This one is the prostate gland. It is conical in shape. Its base is superiorly directed while its apex is inferiorly directed. It surrounds the neck of the urinary bladder. This area of the urinary bladder is also called as neck of the urinary bladder. Clear? Achha, here we can see that within this scrotum, this one is the testis, and in the testis there are seminiferous tubules, then the retitestis, and ultimately a structure is formed which is called as epididymis. Here we can see the head of the epididymis, the body of the epididymis, and the tail of the epididymis. From the tail of epididymis, the ductus deferens or vas deferens is started. It takes the sperm from the testis to ejaculatory duct. So this one is the ductus deferens, this one again is the ductus deferens, and then it enters the abdomen. It has a dilated part. It joins the seminal vesicle to form ejaculatory duct within the substance of prostate gland. Clear? So ejaculatory duct is present within the substance of prostate gland. And here is the prostatic urethra, then the membranous urethra, and then the spongy part of the urethra. Within the wall of the bladder there would be preprostatic part of the urethra. We have discussed it earlier. Clear?